my name is Susana Ramirez, and the experiment that I'm going to be showing you guys today is, can plants live or grow with milk, juice, or soda instead of water? Okay, these are the materials right here. We're going to need 4 different plants so we can test them. They all have to be approximately the same size so we can measure all of them. And we're going to need soda, juice, milk, and water. We're also going to be using measuring cups so we can pour the liquids in the plants and to be exact on the measurements. We're going to need a ruler so we can measure the growth of each plant, and we're also going to need all-purpose labels so we can label each plant according to the liquids, and a marker so we can use it to write on the labels. So on these labels, I've already typed up which one's going to be the water, soda, juice, and milk plant, as well as the independent variables that we're going to have, and control and dependent variables. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and label the plants. We're going to make this one the water. This one's going to be watered with water. This one is going to be watered with soda. This one is going to be watered with milk. And this one is going to be watered with juice. There you go. And then the dependent variable in this experiment is going to be the growth of the plant. So I put the dependent variable as the ruler, because this is what we're going to be measuring the growth with. The independent variables are going to be the juice, the milk, and the soda. And the control is going to be the amount of liquid that we put in each plant, as well as the type of plants that we have. The question for this experiment is, can plants grow or live with milk, juice, or soda instead of water? And that's what we're going to be testing today. So let's go ahead and start with the procedure. First, we gather the plants, make sure we label everything, like the juice, milk, soda, and water plants. Then we're going to water the plants with the different liquids that we have, which are going to be the independent variables, because they're the ones that are going to be changing. So let's go ahead and do that right now. We're going to take this measuring cup, make sure that all the amounts of the liquids are the same. After you're done pouring the liquids into all the plants, you're going to record your observations and record what you see, because it's important that you always record everything in your science experiment. You're gonna repeat these steps of watering the plants every day for about 2 weeks, and you're gonna measure the growth of each plant every day, so that you can compare to see which plants live or grow faster to see if any plants live or grow faster than the others. You also want to make sure that you have the plants where they get enough sunlight and keep them away from rain or harsh wind. Ready, and I've written down all the information, all the observations that I took. I created a table with the measurements of the plant. I will be posting a picture about it on the video as well. And I took down some notes on my phone. I don't know if you can really see them. Some of the observations that I saw from this experiment were that all the plants seemed to be growing in the beginning, but then towards the end they started dying. All of them except for the one that was watered with water. The juice plant, all of them seemed to show some growth except for the juice plant. It was growing very slowly, and the soil in the plants with the milk was actually drying up really really fast. Like every time that it would get watered, um, every day it would get watered, and you would notice that the soil in that plant was drying up more than the others. I also noticed that the plant with the soda was attracting a lot of ants, and the plant with milk did show some growth, but towards the end, they all started withering, all of them except for the water plant. They started drying up and withering, and I will be posting a picture about it. The end result of the experiment as well. So going back to my hypothesis, which was I think that plants will grow better with water. It will happen because my research shows that it's just the right amount of the water has just the right amount of nutrients for plants to live and grow, and not like the juice or milk that may have too many nutrients. And for example, like the juice will break down the plant's immune system. That's what my research showed, and that the juice and milk have way too many nutrients and it can actually kill the plant. And to answer the question if plants can live or grow with milk or juice or soda instead of water, the answer would be no, because the results showed that only the plants that was watered with water is the only one that survived. The other ones, the ones that were watered with juice, soda, and milk, they all withered and they dried up and they basically died. So the only plant that was able to survive was the one that was watered with H2O.